Hello, Tribe Forex traders. Today is July 9th, 2015, and man, these markets are crazy right now. Generally during the summers we have kind of slow months, and people get banged about during this time. We're not doing too bad. We're just kind of sitting in the middle. We actually got into a sell here on the reversal candle. If you're a part of the the trade copier that we run, and we got in roughly at about 110.28 or in that vicinity, and this reversal candle looked really strong, went to the pod one strong, came off of it, and we saw movement down, but unfortunately we didn't get to our 50 pip. We were looking for a 50 pip take profit. It went about 40 pips and then turned back around, gave us this reversal candle back to the upside. We've decided not to play that thing. Okay, so we're waiting for more market movement that is in the direction that we want to be in, because it's been, listen guys, we've been in a consolidation because of what's going over there with Greece. The market doesn't know whether it wants to buy the euro or if it wants to sell the euro, and so we've got this back and forth that's going on. What else do we have? We also have, if I look at the daily here, you're going to notice that we have a pennant formed, and I think we talked about that earlier. And this is our pennant here. And so we're noticing market movement in between that pennant. Now there's another area of support that we saw bounce off of, the market bounce off of. That's another one of them, but that's not the one I'm referring to. There it goes. There it is. So we saw the market bounce off of this area, and actually closed above that area. And so you'll notice that we pulled one of those positions because now we're back in ambiguity. When we had that big, beautiful sell reversal candle on the 4-hour right here, that was telling us to sell, so we sold it. It went down in our direction, but it did not go anywhere. So we're like, hey, let's wait for a better opportunity. You can see that the market formed this reversal candle right off of it. We could see a buy right off these areas, especially in the ambiguity and the confusion that we're witnessing on the euro dollar. So we're going to wait on that. We don't have a call for this right now, guys. We're going to wait and see where the market goes. And because the euro dollar and the dollar Swiss are so correlated, we're not going to take a trade on the dollar Swiss either. Now the pound dollar, if you look at the daily, it gives us a triple threat formation on the daily on the pod be strong. This is not so clear because really not an area of support and resistance for us just yet. It came close to the pod be strong, but did not hit the pod be strong. Didn't hit our trend lines either. For that reason, we're not going to take a trade there. Now we do have the same call that we've been having for the last few days on the Aussie dollar. On the Aussie dollar, we're still looking for 75.30 for a sell, and it's where this 50 EMA is. If you look on the 4-hour and on the daily as well, and also where the trend lines have been. So 75.30, we're going to look for a sell again on the Aussie dollar. New Zealand dollar has actually got a retracement. I think that it's got a bit more to go on this retracement, and so that for that reason we've got no call on that as well. Now the dollar CAD, we've got a very strong area of support, and that's what we are going to call. We've got a 50% fib. We've also got an area of support, horizontal area of support and resistance. We also have quite a few other things going on in that area, and for that reason we're going to call a buy off of 1.2623 on the dollar CAD. On the dollar yen, we have what looks like a triple threat formation, buy formation right here, right on a pod be strong. If you were going to take a buy, it would be really right now at this level. And for that reason, we don't like it. We don't want to take that just right there because, we've got quite a bit of news to come out of the euro and out of the dollar as well. You can see that this triple threat really formed right on the dollar yen right there on this trend line, which forms off of April 30th and off of May 14th, and really just bounced right off of that. So we're really at the pod be strong. We can see that move up, or we can see a consolidation. For that reason, we don't have a call there. Now, what else do we have a call on? We actually have a call on the pound yen. The pound yen is beautiful here. We had this beautiful triple threat formation formed right on the 18500 double zeros area. Pod B strong, 50% fib area. If you look here on the daily, we're going to look for price to come back down to the Pod B strong, and that's going to give us a buy trade. We're going to look for a buy at 185.64 on the pound yen. And so, guys, those are our three trades. Aussie dollar sell 75.30, dollar CAD buy 1.2623, pound yen 185.64 buy. Guys, there's a lot of volatility going on in the market. Even if you look at this pound yen here, you see that it dropped from 189 all the way down to 185. That's a 400 pip drop in one day. We're just experiencing a lot of volatility. If you're on the right side of that, you make money. Wrong side of that, you get completely, bombasted. You're going to be completely slammed here. We've got to be careful in these kind of volatile moments in the market. And so for that reason, we're taking three trades and we're going to watch the market carefully. Now, here's what I'll also say. When the market is ready to break out and when they really choose a direction, we're going to see trends in the latter part of this year. We may see them this month. We may see them in August. We're most likely going to see them in the next few months, in September, in July, August, September. And when we get those opportunities, we'll know exactly where the market's going, and we'll be able to take our trades in those directions and really make a really good profit. And we always do it in the end of the year, no matter what. If we make money in the beginning of the year, we always make money, really a good sum of money at the end of the year as well. So hold tight, fasten your seatbelts, and just be prepped and poised to be able to move when this market is ready to run. Guys, with those are our calls for July 9th, 2015. All the best. Talk to you on Monday, actually. All the best. Bye-bye.